Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be a little nail video. I have been loving DIYing my nails, so doing my nails at home, and I thought I would show you guys how I've been doing them. So I recently received this little kit from Popsicle Professional Nails. This video is not sponsored by them or anything, but I just wanted to share this with you guys because this little kit is just so awesome, especially if you want to do your own nails at home. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my nails, kind of run you through it and how I use the kit. So let's just get started. Okay, so I went ahead and started my nails for you guys. I applied my tips, I buffed them out, and I pushed back my cuticles. So just make sure that your nails are like prepped for this little kit. So step number one would be prepping. So this little liquid is applied to the base of your nail, so not the synthetic part of the nail, just your natural nail. And then you go ahead and apply number two, which is base. And the first step is to mix it with this crystal clear, not mix, but like dip it in. And the first step is to like apply it where the natural and the artificial nail meet, and then you dip it once, and then you go ahead on top of the entire nail and dip that into this crystal clear acrylic dip powder. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it is like a dip technique nail application. And then you take that base number two again and then use your color of choice. I'm using the shade Dolce Vita, and you apply it to the entire nail and then dip it in the little powder and then just like tap and shake it off. So you'll do this to all of your nails. I did 2 layers of this, so like dipping and then going back in with a second layer. And then step number 3 is the seal protect. Now you'll see in the rest of the video that I apply this quite often. So I apply this every single time I use like the number 2 and the dip powder. This is just to like bind those two together and like harden everything. So I'll let that dry for a little bit, and then I'll take a file and just file everything, but I'm using like the smooth soft side. This was the first time that I used this kit, so I had like rough edges and bumps, so I wanted to smooth everything out. So I do recommend doing this in between all of the steps. So now I just went back with the base again and just did one last little coat of the color, because as I like filed it, I didn't buff it with a buffer, I filed it with a file. Some of the color came off and it kind of thinned it out a little bit, so I kind of just repeated the previous step. So that's why I recommend like buffing it in between as you like do your little layers, just so that you can get it as thin as possible and just like smooth. So basically I was happy with how it came out, so I just buffed a little bit and then I applied some alcohol and just rubbed off any like oil residue that might be stuck onto the nail before I go ahead with the next step. And then you'll see this seal protect again, so you kind of want to do the seal protect like in between steps so that you make sure that everything is like bonded and sealed together. And then I'm just taking a cotton round and just wiping any like excess of oil again, but not removing the seal protect essentially. So just wiping that away and just making sure that there's no like fuzzies or anything on the nail. Step number 4 is the top coat. So this is where you will just apply this. This is almost like a nail glue to me, you guys. It smells very similar to a nail glue, but not as potent. So you just apply 2 coats of this and just let it dry in between. So just do as you normally would. It doesn't dry too quickly as a nail glue would. So it's kind of like a nail glue, but you know, with a little bit more smart technology in there, so it gives you time to like apply it. Just make sure you don't get this into your cuticles or anything, because it will kind of like mess up that clean, seamless look that you're going for in terms of your nail application. And then this clear gel does not come with the kit. You do need a UV light with this. With this entire kit that you get from Popsicle Nails, you do not need a UV light, but I just wanted to see how it looks with the top coat of the UV gel on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side is just the top coat, all of the steps in the kit, not using a light, anything like that. So it isn't like a major difference, but you can tell a difference in the shine, but I mean it's not necessary. And then I'm just finishing off with some tissue oil on my nails, and that is the finished result, you guys. I absolutely love this kit. My nails literally lasted like 3 weeks, and then I did a fill on them, and then they went another 3 weeks. So if you want to do your own nails at home, I would honestly recommend like a kit like this. So my nails are actually looking a little bit different now, so not exactly how you saw in this little tutorial, but that's because I've done my nails a couple of times to like test it out and really see if I like it, so I know if I can share it with you guys. So I filmed this video trying out this kit for the first time, so I will do another video coming very soon where I show you like how I've kind of modified it to my liking. But I can honestly recommend this kit. It's so easy to do your nails at home, and you save so much money. So I mean, why wouldn't you want to like spend that extra time and money on yourself by spending time more on yourself and saving more money on like nails and stuff? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more nail videos. I also do like hair tutorials, beauty videos, makeup tutorials, and like fashion videos and vlogs. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.